From a tall green tree to a beautiful book in your hands. Friends, have you ever wondered how does a book come to life? Let me tell you a little secret. It all begins with a tree. Yes, all strong tree growing in a forest. These trees give us wood, and from wood we get papers. First, the wood is cut and taken to a big factory, and there it's chopped into a tiny pieces like puzzle pieces. Then these pieces are mixed with water, turn into something soft and mushy. We call it pulp. It looks like a porridge. Next, this pulp is flattened and dried to make sheets of paper. These sheets are smooth and white, just like the ones in your notebook. Then comes the exciting part. Writers and authors use their imagination to write wonderful stories, poems, and facts. These writings are printed on a paper using big machine called printer. After printing, the pages are cut, arranged and bound together with glue or stitching. And ta-da! We have a real book. But wait friends. Books are not just paper. They are treasures full of knowledge and adventure. Some books make us laugh, some make us cry, and some take us magical lands. So friends, next time you open a book, remember, it started as a tree, went through a lot of hard work, and became your best friend. Let's love books and also take care of trees. And happy reading. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.